Welcome back, my friends. Welcome to another lecture. I open here a landing page blade view, but that is not what you need to worry about. So here today what we are trying to do is we're going to fix the landing page, because landing pages is not coming from from the database, right? It is actually hard-coded here. So if you go to the landing page, you can see the path here. Until here. So resources view landing page, and we do have this row, and inside we do have these two column, these six. So if I remove actually this one, the last one, and save it, if I refresh now, I will do have this only one. Now that is the goal, because here we're gonna pull everything from the database. And before that, what we need to do, let's open the route, so web.php. Here we do have this landing page, and it's hitting the index, right? Now let's open a landing page controller, and here we do have the landing page, but we are returning only the view. Now first things first, we need to return something else. We need to return all of the posts, right? Now in order, I'm just going to create posts variable that will fetch all of the posts. Now I need to bring the post class, and I'm not going to bother you too much. I'm just going to order it straight away, order by, and I'm going to say ID here, and I want to put it descending. Now also I want to paginate. We're going to do this straight away to 6. So I want the 6 results in a page, meaning that if I have 6 or 7 posts, it will be 2 here, 2 underneath, and 2 more. So 3 rows with 3 by 3 actually, right? It's not 3 by 3, 3 by 2. So 3 rows with 2 columns. That's it. Now I hope I am clear with that. Now we need to import a class. Is here. Now also I'm gonna say compact. We're gonna pass this variable. We're gonna pass this object here. It's not variable actually, it's object. Now I think we're done. If I refresh, nothing should change, nothing should be bad. If I go here to the posts in the database, we do have like how many posts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 posts probably. So that is sufficient for our need. Now the web route, where is the web route? There it is. The web route, it's actually, we don't need to change anything here, but we need to change something in the landing page, right? So landing page view. Now here, after the row, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna minimize it like this so you can see what I'm doing. Now here, I'm just gonna check if else, okay, if count. Now here I'm gonna say posts is greater than 0, right? Because I can access these posts from here because I'm passing it to this view. That's why I can do landing page view, which is this one. I can access those posts. What else? So if this is greater than 0, then it's very nice. I mean, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna cut it like this, and I'm gonna put it here, and it's stretching again. Now I'm just gonna minimize it again. So I put that inside in if and end if, right? Now when I have more posts, what I want to do is I want to do a for each loop like this, for each, and I'm gonna say posts and post. Very good. End of that for each. So what I can do, I can also grab it again, this one. I'm just gonna cut it and put it inside it. Just make it, I'm gonna shift it a little bit to the right in order you to see like this. I'm gonna make it like this. So you can also make a comments, if and if. Now the thing that I copy it, I'm gonna paste it back. So I'm gonna save it. Let's see what's happening now. Very good. I do have 6 more. So if I put it Do we count at 6 or 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now if I do the paginate of 8, for example, I will see the last result like this. All right? Because there's 7. So you can leave it paginate to 6, 7, 8. That's your preferences. You can change it whatever you want. Now, I think we're done with this part. What we need to do is we need to continue working here, because honestly here we haven't done anything. Now I just want to grab the title, and because we are inside that for each loop, I can access it. Oops, what's happened? I can access it, so it should be self-closing for me, but I don't know what's happening. So I can access the title like this. Post title, very good. What we do have here, now the ID, we're gonna fix this ID. It's not gonna be 2 anymore. The ID will be what? We can grab it from here. Post ID, very good, simple. It's not gonna do much. Now the images, we're gonna deal with the images later. Okay, again, title of the post, you can copy in this one, paste it there. What else we need here? Post title, okay, written by, and you can put it post user, and we can grab the name. Can we do this? Let's just see. So now it's 7 posts, 6 posts, very good. 5th, 4th. So if we, okay, this one is not working because we haven't actually put here the ID, right? Now we need to link, because here before was 2. Now we need to link it with the ID again. Post ID. Remember that when we do with Carousel, we need to have the same ID. I'm just gonna refresh. Here it is. Written by Rick. Written by Rick. This is it. Okay, this is written by test2. Test2, right? Test2. Okay, I think I have only from 2 users. It's all good. I'm gonna refresh and they will all be closed. Now, I did access the user and I get the username from there. That's very simple. Now, what we are going to do it here, I'm just gonna get this time or date, but that will be defined for humans. So you can learn about Carbon a little bit more. You can read it, but I'm just gonna put it here in, and you will see how it will look. Now, post created. Let me just see. Created at, and what I can do, I can say here diff for, with capital F, for humans, and that will be, should be like that. And also I need to cut this one whole. I'm sorry guys, I need to put it inside of brackets. Okay, now I'm just gonna refresh. I hope I'm not gonna get any error. And here it is, 1 week ago. 1 week ago. So that means that I haven't worked on the project for a week ago. And what I'm gonna say now, I was planning to say, I'm sorry about, at the moment, the coronavirus is there. Maybe when you're gonna hear it, this is gonna be funny for you. But somebody that's gonna lost or is gonna be hit by this virus, I'm very sorry. I feel for you. It's whole Australia is closed down. Everything is closed, and yeah, this is not good. This is very bad actually, and I really sorry for the people that are affected from this. I can see US is growing, everywhere is growing, so it's not funny to see this. And if you're from Italy or from somewhere else, I just I feel for you guys, and I'm sorry to this is happening, right? It's not a good thing, but it is what it is, and I needed to say this one. So this is how you can access post create diff for humans, and I will just, maybe next lecture I will let you know where you can read this one. Okay, the body, we're gonna remove the body and we're gonna say, here it is, it's self-closing again now. So, this is crazy. Post body, very good. And read more here actually. We need to put a route here. And that route but we will do that one with next lecture, because it's probably we are just going to link it to the blog. Where is it? Here it is, to this page. All right, so that individual post and this needs to be linked to that page, but at the moment it's working. Now with images, I'm not going to link it yet. With the images, what we can do, we can go back. So here is the image that I have loaded from IMG folder, right? And what we can do here, we can just say, we can just put after the card, we can just check here something, if, and let's put it if and if, and hit this one B, like that. Or we can use the other one, Control Tab, and if else. That's more like it. Now here, what I'm going to check, and we're going to copy this bad boy here somewhere. But wait until we fix the logic. Now, I'm going to say post. I'm going to say image, so I can access that object, because we have the relationship built before that, guys. So you know all of these. When I say guys, means everyone, general. So if, oops, sorry, it's not image, it's count here. So if post image count is, again, greater than 0, then we can do something here, right? Now, what we can say here, I want to grab, I will write normal PHP code, like when we were doing here, because I promised one student that I will do this in following lecture. So he was hitting me on Twitter and saying, why don't use it when you do this? Why don't use this the old style here and you use blade syntax? So here it is. You can use the old style like this. Wait, now I'm just gonna say post images equal post, so I can use that because I'm inside the for loop. And I'm gonna say image, sorry, with smaller, not capital. What's happened? Image, and I will get those images now. So semicolon there is preferred, right? Now I've got the images here stored. So if I do dime dump, so you can see if I do here dime dump, and if I do the images, you will see something here. I'm just gonna copy it. Here it is. I do have those images in Laravel and the other one. So I'm just gonna comment this one. I'm just saying that I'm grabbing all of the images that I need. Now, because I know that there are more, there's more than one. I mean, there is an image here, so I can do here. I can access them. So I'm gonna copy this carousel active, right? And I'm just gonna cut it from here, and I'm going to put it right below here. Now, carousel item active, and I need to change the path because the path is not what I have, right? I'm just gonna remove this part, and I'm gonna say post img. Maybe you have different directory or folder there for this one. Just use that one. Don't use it mine. Now I can access the images just like that, and I want to say 0, and I want to grab the name. So I'm just accessing the first image in the name of that image. So this one, it can remain the same. Now in the else part, what we are going to do in the else part, I'm just going to copy this one here again, and I'm going to put it here, but saying that if you can't find the images, because we don't actually need to loop through the images here, guys. Just wait. We don't need to loop through the images. I need to finish this one, and I'm going to refresh the browser. So post images, do we have in the post? Wait. So post images, here it is. We have the default.jpg. So if that is not happening, now what is this doing is I'm grabbing only one image, and I'm not gonna loop. That's why I'm just grabbing the 0. So because I don't know how many images here, I don't check them. I just check if they're greater than 0. It means that there is one more. Otherwise, I'm just gonna get this default and I'm gonna save it now. I'm just gonna refresh, and yeah, it's not working. Let's see why it's not working. It's not working because, let's see it. Carousel active. Very good. Why it's not showing here, this one? Okay, I know why it's not showing, because if we go here back in the post image, I really don't have this image here. So what we are going to do, I'm sorry, we need to upload new post. I need to delete all of them. Here it is, post. I need to check all of them. I need to delete them, right? And what it's best to you to do is to delete all of these images that are related, like that. Now, also here, I'm just gonna delete this. I'm gonna leave it the default one there. What's happened? Did I delete something else? No. So I don't have posts here. We can actually get a message saying there are no posts, because so after the for each, that is a good idea, because I haven't done it. Now after the for each, what we can do, we can say here else, and here I will say h1. I will say there are no posts at the moment. Very good. And I'm gonna put an exclamation mark, and that's it. So after the end for each here, and if it's ending there. Now there are no posts at the moment. You can put a margin, you can put whatever it is. For example, add a class here saying margin 5. Very good. Now we are done with this part. Now let's add logged in as a user rig. In here we need to find some way how I can go to the profile right away, right? So I'm gonna say user profile. Here it is, user profile. Now here, what I am going to create a post, first post, and this is getting too long actually. Now I'm just gonna put this one too here. Say new post. Just gonna add it, and let's go back to the home page. And here again we do have the problem, and I hope you saw the mistake, because I paused the video and what I did, so we delete all of the posts. I'm sorry about this, guys. So post images, it's our folder name. So if you notice that one, you shouldn't delete all of it manually like me. So I'm just gonna copy it. I'm just gonna copy it here. I'm just gonna refresh. Now we do have this image, and it's written by, this is not going anywhere. Let's create another profile, user profile, and here let's create a new one. Let's create a second post, and the new image. Let's create some. I'm gonna put this one first. No, I'm gonna put this one in that one. Just gonna put it here. Second post. Add them. Go back. There it is. Now it looks better. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. I'm sorry about the hiccups. What I've done is put a different name here. It was post images, not img, and where I grabbed the first one only, because I don't know, I check if there are only more than this. Also, if there is no comments or posts, sorry, we just gonna put this one. Next time we're gonna deal with the link, how that will go. This one also, I will probably have a link somewhere, or I will tell you what you need to do in order to understand this div for humans. I don't think that in my introduction I explain it, but if I haven't, maybe I will shoot a video there. So if I already have explained it, that's it, you're gonna see it in the introduction part. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this video, and stay safe.